how to turn on or off or change the high contrast keyboard in easy mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now scroll down and then in here, tap on easy mode. Then we scroll down and tap on high contrast keyboard. At the top here is the toggle button that you can turn off high contrast keyboard if you don't want to use it. So if I turn off high contrast keyboard, you can see the keyboard will go back to a standard color. Otherwise, if you turn it on, you can also change your contrast keyboard. So you got black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, or you have yellow letters on black keypad. So here, if I select this one, you can see I go to my browser that will use the keyboard, and it will change the keyboard layout, or not layout, but the contrast color. And here I can change it to white letters on blue keypad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.